Welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix dead as disco game not launching or not opening, won't start, stuck on black screen error on PC. So let's go through the method. The very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -d x11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, type -d x12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, type -d3 d11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run the game as admin. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. Here is the game application. It's named as Pagoda. So you simply have to select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. But if this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. This game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After the game files are verified, launch the game and check whether you can play it. Next solution is to update your graphics card. Make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now under here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to check for Windows update. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to check graphics settings of the game. So if your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next solution is to close background apps. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now here under background processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it and then click on end task. So this will close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. You simply have to copy and paste it in your browser. Once you visit the websites, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. This will download Visual C++ files. You have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. After it is over, close this. Now restart your PC. After your PC restarts, log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to search for graphics settings. Open it. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable in-game overlay. So Steam users, you just have to click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. Next is to change virtual memory settings. For that you have to go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that select custom size. In the initial size type 12288 and in the maximum size type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. After that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage and click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Dead as Disco game and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.